Does your child need undivided attention or closer supervision when he is studying? Does he get easily distracted when he reviews with his peers? Then, check out YTC's exclusive one-on-one tutorial. The exclusive academic tutorial is part of YTC's e-learning. This is a session of one tutor with one student on a per-need, per-subject basis. Parents may opt to book a session or block a month schedule for several exclusive sessions. Present during each session is only one student with one tutor. One chosen academic subject is the focus of the live teaching learning session conducted online and scheduled by appointment. YTC's exclusive one-on-one tutorial is designed for K-12 students who need to focus on a subject of difficulty, reinforce or master current lessons, or prepare for a quiz or exam. Each exclusive one-on-one session will depend on the student's academic need, which is the objective or reason for the appointment. The session could focus on homework assistance, supervise the accomplishment of a module or performance task, or prepare for a quiz or exam. YTC's exclusive one-on-one academic tutorial uses Zoom for live teaching and interaction. Each exclusive one-on-one academic tutorial is by appointment to focus on one chosen academic subject. We are here to listen. Message us on Facebook or visit our website for an absolutely free consultation. Or you could go ahead and book your appointment for exclusive one-on-one tutorial. See you soon at YTC's e-learning.